வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தாலும் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ. ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் கிளாஸ் 6 டேர்ம் 3 ஜியோகிராஃபி யூனிட் 2 குளோப். Surya and Poovendan are very good friends who study in the 6th standard and live in a beautiful village called Tirunandriyur. Surya lives in South Street while Poovendan lives in North Street. Every day they go to school together. One day,
Why are you coming so late, Puvenda? Please bear with me, Surya. You live on South Street, but I have to come from the North Street, which is so far away from here. Yes, that is true, but wherever we live, don't you remember that we all live on planet Earth? Yes, I do remember. Even our Pune Miss taught us about the solar system. But I have a doubt. We can see our house, the things around us, the people, animals, and birds with our eyes. But why can't we see our earth as a whole? I have seen our earth in our school. Did you saw in our school? Where? Yes, in our school. Our Pune is table. It's big and spherical. Oh yes, like a ball on a stand?
exactly, that is our earth.
But our teacher said that our Earth is in a Milky Way galaxy. But you say that our Earth is on our teacher's table? I am so confused. Come, let's go and ask Purni Miss. Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, children.
Ma'am, you told us on the other day that our Earth is in a Milky Way galaxy.
Yes, it is true, children. This is the model of the earth. Let me explain about this in detail. Let us start our class with the learning objectives. To understand the 4 cardinal directions, to learn about the shape of the earth, to understand about the model of the earth, the globe, Puvi Madhuri, to understand the significance, that is importance of lines of latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes means Achakodu, longitudes means Dirka Kodugal. To know how standard time is calculated around the world. Now let us start with the directions. திசைகள். The directions on the ground are always shown with respect to the north, அதாவது வடக்கு. If we know the north, then it is easy to find the other directions, isn't it? Namely south, தெற்கு, east, கிழக்கு, and west, மேற்கு. These are the 4 cardinal directions. As we all know that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. We should always keep this in mind that if we stand facing the sun in the morning, we face the east. The west is towards our back. The left hand points towards the north and the right hand points towards the south. Globe, Puvi Madhuri. We live on the planet Earth, which is found third from the sun. Since the earth is huge and we live on a very small area, we are not able to see the earth as a whole. But when we travel to space, we can see the earth as a whole. So, in order to see the shape of the earth as a whole and to know its unique means special features, a 3-dimensional model, Mupparimanam, of the earth was created with a specific scale that is called as the globe. Do you know the surface area of the earth is 510.1 million square kilometers. Surface area means பரப்பளவு. The earth, which is spherical means கோள வடிவம், is flat at the poles and bulges at the equator. The earth cannot be compared with any other geometrical shape as it has very unique shape. Hence its shape is called a geoid, that is earth shaped. The earth moves around the sun. It also rotates from the west to east on its axis at an inclination means slanting சாய்ந்த of 23.5 degree. The globe is also inclined at an angle of 23.5 degree. The axis is an imaginary line. It is not actually found on the earth. Do you know the first globe was created by the Greeks in the year 150 ACE? The Indian astronomer Aryabhatta I has mentioned in his book called Aryabhatta Siddhanta. The stars in the sky seem to move towards the west because of the Earth's rotation on its axis. விண்மீன்கள் வானில் மேற்கு புறமாக நகர்வது போன்ற தோற்றம் புவி தன்னுடைய அச்சில் தன்னைத்தானே சுற்றி கொள்வதால் விளைகிறது. Lines on the globe. There are imaginary lines which are drawn on the globe horizontally and vertically to find a location and calculate distance and time. These imaginary lines are called lines of latitudes அச்சக்கோடுகள் and longitudes தீர்க்கக்கோடுகள். So latitudes are used to find a location and longitudes are used to calculate distance and time. Do you know Ptolemy, a Greco-Roman mathematician, கணித வல்லுனர், astronomer, வான் ஆய்வாளர் and geographer, புவியியல் ஆய்வாளர், was the first person to draw the lines of latitude and longitude on a map. He wrote a book called Geographia, a detailed description about the Earth's surface, புவியின் பரப்பளவு, its size and circumference, சுற்றளவு, and many locations based on the lines of latitude and longitude are given. Latitudes அச்சக்கோடுகள். The imaginary lines which are drawn horizontally on east-west direction on the earth are called the lines or parallels of latitudes. The 0-degree line of latitude which divides the earth into two halves is known as the equator, நிலநடுக்கோடு. From the equator, parallel lines are drawn towards the north and south poles at equal intervals. The latitudinal extent between 1 degree line of latitude on earth is 111 km. ஒவ்வொரு அச்சக்கோட்டிற்கும் இடைப்பட்ட நிலப்பரப்பின் தூரம் 111 கிலோமீட்டர். Look at the image. Our earth is geode shaped. So the length of the lines of latitude decreases from the equator towards south and north poles. And the 90-degree north and south poles are not found as lines but as points. Look at the image. The lines of latitude that are drawn horizontally between the equator and the north pole are called northern latitudes. Similarly, the lines between the equator and the south pole are called southern latitudes. The lines of latitude consist of 89 parallels in the northern hemisphere and 89 parallels in the southern hemisphere, one at the equator. 2 poles are found as points, so there are totally 181 parallels found on the earth. Now let us see about northern hemisphere. Hemisphere means divided into two. So northern hemisphere, look at the image. The area of the earth found between the equator, that is 0 degree, and the north pole 90 degree north is called the northern hemisphere. Now let us see about the southern hemisphere. Look at the image. The area of the earth from the equator, that is 0 degree, to the south pole 90 degree yes is called the southern hemisphere. The location of any country or place is based on this division of the hemispheres. Important lines of latitude. The earth rotates on its axis at an inclination of 23.5 degree. We all know that earth also revolves around the sun while rotating. Based on the angle at which the sun's rays fall on the earth, certain lines of latitude gain significance. Now look at the image. 0 degree is equator. So above the equator in the northern hemisphere, we can see Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degree north and Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north and North Pole 90 degree north. Similarly, you see the equator, then come to the southern hemisphere. Below the equator, we can see Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degrees south and Antarctic Circle 66.5 degrees south and South Pole 90 degree south. Do the sun rays fall equally on all parts of our earth? No, the sun rays do not fall equally on all parts of the earth. They fall vertically over the equator and slanting towards the poles. Thus, all the places on earth do not have the same amount of temperature. Based on the amount of heat received from the sun, the lines of latitude help in dividing the earth into different climatic zones. Our earth is divided into different climatic zones. They are: number 1, torrid zone. Look at the image. The region from the equator towards the Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degree north, and the Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degrees south is called the torrid zone. Here the sun rays fall vertically and the average temperature is very high. Hence this region is known as the torrid zone. Second one, temperate zone. Look at the image. From the Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degree north, to the Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north, and from the Tropic of Capricorn, that is 23.5 degrees south, to the Antarctic Circle 66.5 degrees south. Here the sun rays fall slantingly. So moderate temperature prevails in this region. Hence this region is called temperate zone. And the third zone is frigid zone, Kulir Mandalam. Look at the image. From the Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north to the North Pole 90 degree north, and from the Antarctic Circle 66.5 degree south to the South Pole 90 degree yes. Here the sun rays fall further inclined, so slanting throughout the year. So the temperature is very low. Hence this region is known as frigid zone. Now let us see about longitudes, Dirgha Kodugal. The imaginary lines drawn vertically connecting the North Pole and the South Pole are called lines or meridians of longitude. These lines of longitude are seen as semicircles. The 0 degree line of longitude is called the prime meridian. Look at the image. There are 180 lines of longitude towards the east and west from the prime meridian. So, there are totally 360 lines of longitude. These lines converge at the poles. The 180 degree west and 180 degree east line of longitude are the same line. Look at the image. The lines of longitude that are found between the prime meridian, that is 0 degree, and the 180 degree east line of longitude are called eastern longitudes, whereas the lines of longitude that are found between the prime meridian, that is 0 degree, and the 180 degree west line of longitude are called western longitudes. Two opposite meridians form a great circle. Do you know the lines of longitude are found as semicircles covering 111 km at the equator, 79 km at 45 degree latitude, and no space between the lines at the poles. Now let us see what is Eastern Hemisphere and Western Hemisphere. Eastern Hemisphere, look at the image. The part of the earth between the 0 degree line of longitude and the 180 degree east line of longitude is known as the Eastern Hemisphere. Now come to the Western Hemisphere. Look at the image. The part of the earth from 0 degree line of longitude to 180 degree west line of longitude is called as Western Hemisphere. See the activity based on the longitudinal extent in which hemisphere is our country located. Look at the globe and answer. Can you guess? Yes, very good. Our country India is located in the Eastern Hemisphere. Now let us see the significant lines of longitude. Greenwich Meridian. The Royal Astronomical Observatory is located at Greenwich near London in England. According to the International Meridian Conference held in 1884 in Washington DC in the USA, all nations agreed on choosing the Greenwich meridian as the international standard meridian 0 degree. This line of longitude is called the prime meridian, and it is also known as the Greenwich meridian because it passes through the place Greenwich. Now look at the globe. See the direction north, south, east, west, and see at the center 0 degree line of longitude. So this 0 degree line of longitude is called as Greenwich prime meridian because it passes through the place Greenwich. Now let us see about international date line, Pannattu Thedikodu. See the image. The 180 degree line of longitude has been fixed as the international date line drawn on the Pacific Ocean between Alaska and Russia through Bering Strait. So, if a person crosses this line from the west to east, he loses a day. On the other hand, when he crosses from the east to west, he gains a day. So, based on this, the date is fixed for different countries or regions of the world. Do you know the international date line is not straight? If the line is drawn straight, two places in the same country would have different dates. So, the international date line is found zigzag in certain places to avoid confusion. Now, look at the image international date line. For example, consider the country Russia. If the line is drawn straight, two places in the country Russia would have different dates. So, to avoid this confusion, the international date line is found zigzag. Earth grid. The imaginary lines of latitude and longitude form a grid-like pattern on the surface of the Earth known as the Earth grid or geographic grid. To locate a place exactly on Earth, the latitudinal and longitudinal extension are required. Now let us see about longitude and time. As we know that 360 lines of longitude are drawn to connect the north and south poles around the Earth, 180 degree on the eastern hemisphere and 180 degree on the western hemisphere. Time is calculated on the basis of the lines of longitude. We know that our Earth takes 1 day to rotate on its axis. So 1 day equal to 24 hours. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So how many minutes are there in a day? 1440 minutes. The angle of Earth is 360 degree. So 360 degree means 360 longitudes. So 360 degree equal to 1440 minutes. So 1 degree equal to 1440 divided by 360, therefore 4 minutes. In 4 minutes, 1 degree of rotation takes place. In 60 minutes, 15 degree rotation. So in an hour, that is 60 minutes, our Earth rotates 15 degree. Local time. When the sun is overhead on a particular line of longitude, it is 12 noon at all the places located on that line of longitude. So this is called local time. The sun is overhead on a line of longitude only once in a day. So the local time differs for every line of longitude. When the sun is overhead the Greenwich meridian at 12 noon, it is the local time of that place. The world time is calculated by this standard line of longitude, which is known as the Greenwich Mean Time GMT. As we already discussed in the box information that 1 degree rotation 4 minutes. Now come to this example. If the time is 12 noon at Greenwich meridian, it is 12 hours 4 minutes PM at 1 degree east line of longitude and 11 hours 56 minutes AM at 1 degree west line of longitude. So 1 degree east line of longitude, 4 minutes increase. 1 degree west line of longitude, 4 minutes decrease. So one moves towards the east from any meridian, the time increases, and if one moves towards the west from any meridian, the time decreases. Do you know the word meridian is derived from the Latin word meridianus? It means midday. Medius, middle. Dies, day. So meridian means the position of the sun found over it at a place at noon. AM means ante-meridian. Ante before, that is before noon. PM means post-meridian. Post after or later afternoon. Now let us see about the standard time. Local time is calculated when the sun is overhead at noon. Many lines of longitude may pass through a country. Countries may or may not observe a common time. The standard time of a country or a part of it is set calculated keeping a particular meridian as a standard one. The meridians are selected in multiples of 15 degree or 7.5 degree. It is done in such a way that the variation of standard time from the Greenwich is expressed either as 1 hour or half an hour. Indian Standard Time. Now let us see about the longitudinal extent of India. Look at the image. The longitudinal extent of India is from 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east, because India is located in the eastern hemisphere. As many as 20 lines of longitude passes through India. Having 29 standard time is not logical. Hence, 82.5 degree east line of longitude is observed as the prime meridian to calculate the Indian standard time. Do you know the 82.5 degree east line of longitude passes through Mirzapur near Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. This is located at an equal distance from Guyamota in Gujarat and Kibitu in Arunachal Pradesh. Time zones. The world has 24 time zones. Some countries have a great longitudinal extent, so they have more than one standard time. For example, Russia has 7 time zones. So in this chapter, we have seen about the lines of latitude and longitude drawn on the globe. Besides these, physical landforms, seas, oceans, countries, etc. are also found on the globe. Do you know 0 degree north and south to 23.5 degree north and south lines of latitudes are called low latitudes. That is equator 0 degree, above the equator Tropic of Cancer, below the equator Tropic of Capricorn. Then 23.5 degree north and south to 66.5 degree north and south lines of latitudes are called middle latitudes. That is from Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle and Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle. Then 66.5 degree north and south to 90 degree north and south lines of latitudes are called high latitudes. That is Arctic Circle to North Pole, Antarctic Circle to South Pole. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.